We often save bookmarks in our browser, to have quick access to those frequently visited websites. If we delete or lose the bookmarks, we may feel extremely insecure. In this video, we will share 10 ways to restore bookmarks in Chrome. Method 1. Recover bookmarks in Chrome with undo. There is an undo action can be applied, to restore the bookmarks immediately after the deletion. If you're signed into Chrome with your Google account, on different devices, you can use the Chrome Bookmark Sync feature to restore. It is also a standard solution, to recover deleted Chrome bookmarks with backup. All that we need to do is, to check the local drive where your system saves the bookmark file, then delete the bookmarks file, and rename the bookmarks BAK file as bookmark. Google Chrome lets users export and import bookmarks. If you have exported your bookmarks in HTML file, or you have also saved the bookmarks in Safari or Firefox, you can recover the deleted Chrome bookmarks by importing the file. Maybe you have exported the bookmarks, but the file was just lost on your device. In this case, we can recover deleted Chrome bookmarks by searching in File Explorer on Windows, or in Finder on Mac. If you have exported, or backed up Chrome bookmarks, but cannot find those files on your Windows PC or Mac, you'd better check out the trash bin, and put it back. If unfortunately, none of above listed methods works in your case, to recover the deleted Chrome bookmarks, you might need to manually recover, by browsing the history in your Chrome. Another useful solution, to recover deleted or lost Chrome bookmarks, is using DNS cache. To understand how to restore bookmarks, with DNS cache, you can follow these simple steps. On a Mac, if a file is lost, Mac users can enable Time Machine, to restore any version of the lost files from its backup. To recover deleted or lost Chrome bookmarks, with least amount of time and effort, you should look out for top-notch recovery programs. System Data Recovery offer users an impeccable data recovery experience, from restoring 1,000 plus types of files. It has a lot of features, and it is easy to use. Now, follow the steps to recover your Chrome bookmarks. Run the program, select the drive where you store the bookmark file, you will see a list of recoverable files in different folders. To find a deleted bookmark file, use the filter or enter keyword bookmark. Double-click the file to preview. If it is the one you want to recover, click Recover and save. Then, in Google Chrome, import this bookmark file to your browser. now all the deleted bookmarks are back. Thanks for watching.